So then, we now know including tags in your YouTube Shorts is really important for discovery because it helps your videos to be found easily and recommended to potential viewers. First, we'll cover some theory and then I'll show you the kind of tags I include on my most successful shorts, which have over 11 million views. So then, tags are essentially keywords that describe the content of your video, and they play an important role in how YouTube search and recommendation algorithms work. When you include relevant tags in your shorts, it helps YouTube to understand what your short is about and who it might be relevant to. This can help your short to appear higher in search results when people are searching for content related to your video's topic. Also, tags can help you to target specific audiences and communities on YouTube, which is what we want. For example, if your video is related to a particular niche or interest group, including relevant tags can help it to be discovered by people who are interested in that topic. It's important to note, while tags are an important aspect of discovery, they should be used strategically and not excessively. Including too many irrelevant or spammy tags can actually harm your video's visibility and reputation on YouTube. So guys, here's now an explanation on the best way to include tags in your YouTube Shorts. First up is identify relevant keywords. Before you start adding tags to your video, you need to identify relevant keywords that are related to your video's content. This will help you target the right audience and make it easier for them to find your video. You can use YouTube's built-in search bar to find popular keywords and phrases that are related to your video. Next is choose specific tags. Once you've identified relevant keywords, choose specific tags that accurately describe your video's content. These tags should be specific and relevant to the video's topic. Avoid using generic tags that are too broad or vague. This will not help your video rank highly at all. Next is use a mix of short and long tail keywords. It's important to use a mix of short and long tail keywords in your video's tags, guys. Short tail keywords are broad keywords that are typically 1 or 2 words long, whilst long tail keywords are more specific and usually contain more than 3 words. Using a mix of short and long tail keywords can help you target a wider range of audience. Next, guys, is include variations of your main keyword. Now, this is interesting. So what you can do is you can add variations of your main keyword, which also helps increase the visibility of your video. What I mean by this is, for example, if your main keyword is dog training, you could add variations like puppy training, canine training, or dog obedience training. Okay, guys, next is do not overdo it. So it's important not to go overboard when adding tags to your video. YouTube recommends using 15 to 20 tags per video, and it's best to stick to this guideline to avoid being seen as spammy. Additionally, avoid using irrelevant tags or tags that are too long or repetitive. Okay then guys, so let's now have a look at the type of tags that I've included on my most successful, my most viral video. So this short is all about the world's biggest saltwater crocodile, which is called a long. And basically all I do is I just run through the details of the crocodile, why it's so big and why it's so dangerous, etc. It's just like a fact-based short. If you want to see it, go onto my channel and give it a watch. But yeah, the tags I include, we've got saltwater crocodile, we've got crocodile attack, we've got biggest crocodile, because of course it's the biggest crocodile. It's also a saltwater crocodile. And then I've got things like the biggest saltwater crocodile. I've got crocodile attacks. I've got reptiles. I've got crocodile facts. Got crocodile habitat. Crocodile hunting. Crocodile videos. Crocodile teeth. Crocodile versus alligator. Crocodile babies. Endangered species. Dangerous animals. And nature documentaries. So guys, I cover a very, very broad topic here, but I always make sure it's related to crocodiles. Now, a lot of people, a lot of nature nerds will love to see a crocodile versus alligator, or they love to see crocodiles hunting, or they sometimes even like to see baby crocodiles. So it's very clever to include different kind of pivots there. So I've included biggest crocodile, saltwater crocodile, crocodile hunting, and all that kind of stuff, guys. These are basically terms I expect my audience to search for. So what I expect my audience to search for, I want to rank highly for. So that's where these tags come from. And here you can see that I've also included a very long description here. And in this description, I've used the keyword saltwater crocodile and biggest crocodile many, many times. And at the end, I also included the 3 keywords saltwater crocodile, reptiles and wildlife. Again, just to help me rank a little bit highly. But if you look closely throughout this description, the amount of times I say saltwater crocodile is insane. So that's exactly what I'm ranking for. So then guys, by following these steps, you can effectively include tags in your YouTube videos to improve their discoverability and increase their chances of appearing in relevant search results. It doesn't matter what kind of channel you create, this is relevant for all niches. I hope you've enjoyed this lecture and I hope you can take some of these points away with you. Thank you very much for listening and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.